Have not got much done on this week, other than Monday when I came back out here and finished the other side. So far, all I've done on this side, which I didn't show, I should have because it was kind of interesting, but there's a lead seam here, there was a crack here, I ground it out, and there was a hole here and a hole there with Bondo in it. So I welded that up, feathered the lead back to about here. Had like 6 layers of Bondo on here. I could probably put some pictures if I remember to show you, not that you're interested, but so, and then I got that spot welded up, Duraglassed, and Bondoed, and I'm starting on this quarter panel, and that's it. Today's Thursday. Try to get back out here tomorrow, and I would love to be done with the mud work on this thing this weekend, but I don't see that happening. The door is pretty rough, and I'm sure the fender's the same. If I can get this polyed next weekend, I'll be happy. And then I know my car is not going to be done, so I'll just scoot this over, cover it up, and get back to work on the Chevelle. Saturday night. Apparently we're riding quads around the neighborhood now. But anyway, as usual, didn't get as much done as I wanted to. This quarter's done on the Mustang. And I've got the door and fender on the Chevelle on this side. However, I'm still fighting getting them lined up, because obviously my door is in a slightly different spot than it was last time. So I am not done with this fender yet. I'm getting there, but so yeah, hopefully tomorrow I can get this tightened down where it's going to live for bodywork, and then I'll be ready to fit the hood. I just have to find someone to help me put the hood on, and I'd like to get the door done on this, so all I have left to do during the week is that fender. Then I can poly this next weekend and be done. Anyway, I'm hungry. So I've been fighting getting this side aligned, and I think I got it in the ballpark. I still need to put the latches in. Thought maybe I'd throw the inner fender in there since I know they don't fit, and I don't know how it's going to tweak the fender. So I'd like to have that in while I do the body work, so everything's where it's going to be. And after fighting with this and realizing it doesn't fit, which I already knew, I guess I'm going to take the fender back off, try to put the inner fender on the fender, and then put it on together. I already know it's not going to fit down here. It doesn't want to fit anywhere. It touches the frame, but yeah, it still needs, the fender still needs to be pushed in to get to the bolt holes in the inner fender. But there's no room. It's like it's too wide. I don't know. Scratching things and stuff. So anyway, I'm going to take both back off, like I said, and things like that. Now realizing that that's not possible with the core support on, because that won't come out of here. Now, it is probably possible, but as far as assembling it like this, after everything's painted, you'd have to have the core support off to get the fenders on. And then if you have both fenders on, is it going to be hard to... I guess you could probably get the core support in there afterwards. Yeah. Not sure. But for now, I'm going to get these both off just to see if I could even make the inner fender fit the fender. Then I'm going to, I don't know, cry after it doesn't work, I guess. So, in order to get this bolt in here, I had to take these bolts out, and now you can see how far off that hole is, which isn't that bad. I could make that work, but that one's not even close, and this one still nowhere near. It's you know, just a little off. So I think I need to slot all these ones a little bit each instead of just bolting this up and slotting these a bunch. Try to get this to where everything else bolts up but this one I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to drill a new hole and weld this up. Those two are in, kind of holding it where it goes loosely. When it was in the car, these ones were nowhere near close to reaching. This one's also kind of important, and it's, maybe I'll take this back out, put that one in first, because that's kind of a weird area. Anyway, I'll be back when I have a better idea of what I can't do. So I can get them all in till you get to this one, and you can kind of see the hole over there, but this one's still crazy far off. The hole's like right here somewhere. So, like I was originally thinking, I'm going to take these all back out, slot all the holes that way a little bit, so the inner fender will slide back this way. At least get that one to go in, and then I'll have to make a new hole for this one and weld this up, or leave it because I'm mad and these things suck. It'll be interesting to see if the other side is any better than this side, being this is an aftermarket fender that I also cut up back here to make fit the car. However, this did not fit before I did that, so did I make it worse or did I make it better? Who knows? I'm glad you caught that. I need to slot these holes that direction so the inner fender will slide that direction. Good call. Almost messed up. Okay, so even with slotting those, I would just not slide like that. I had to slot this one a lot. So now this one, I'm gonna have to drill a new hole for. And then, I don't know. Apparently, weld that up, put it back on the car and see how it fits. I'll probably have to trim this off. I mean, I don't know. Not quite sure. I didn't take that much out of this fender. That's crazy. Guess it'll be interesting to see how the other side fits. It'll be interesting to see if this even goes back on the car with this in here. So anyway, I'm going to drill a hole for that, bolt it up, and leave this for now. And perfect fit. I don't see the problem. All the bolts are in. What are you complaining about? I pretty much, you know, need to cut this off right at the bottom of that bolt hole. Looks like. Taper it back, but like I said, for now I'm going to leave it. See if I can get it on the car and get these bolts in and these that go on the core support. So I'm having trouble getting the fender to go back at the bottom. I've got all the bolts loose in the inner fender and the fender. So putting the inner fenders in definitely changes some stuff. Mainly because it's hitting down there where it mounts. And it is hitting against the frame right there. So anyway, still messing with it. It's gonna fit. I just need to have 2 extra hands so I can push that back and tighten up the bottom bolt at the same time. Other than that, it's gonna fit. I have no idea how, well, I already know it's not gonna be fun, but putting this together after it's painted, it's gonna be a pain. I'll probably end up putting the inner fender on first and then putting the fender on. Or something, who knows, I'm not sure. But anyway, let me finish this up and then we'll see how she fits. I had to quit because the power went out, but it's obviously back on now. Okay, every bolt is in the fender and the inner fender. That one, gonna have to do something, weld up the old hole, something. Not sure. Had to slot the bottom one of those. You can see the hole underneath the washer. Yeah, all these are in. All of them are in. Up here. So, yeah. It's not as good as I remember it. It's hard to get the fender to go all the way back in place with the inner fender in there. It's not perfect. It's pretty good, especially for this aftermarket junk fender. I should be able to bodywork that and make it nice. So I guess now I need to put the other inner fender in. Hopefully it goes a little smoother than this one. Otherwise, I'm going to take them both out, throw them away, and act like I never had them. So anyway, my goal today was to get this door done, and I haven't even touched it. So I might switch over to this now and try to make some progress on this. It's probably, it's 5 o'clock now, Sunday night. Definitely not going to get this door done. Might be able to get the top done. Yeah. So anyway, that's where we are at the moment on both of these sweet pieces. Now I got the top of the door done. Got the bottom ready to spread, or the middle I mean, not the bottom. Whether I can finish the middle of the door after work tomorrow or not, hard to say. I'd like to. Like I said, my goal is still get this primed next weekend, so we will see. After that, we got one panel left, which is this sweet fender. As you can see, it's perfectly straight, so it won't need much work at all. And yeah. Alright, Monday night after work, try to get the middle of this door done. Also, if anybody's curious what's going on with the shoebox, I can throw some pictures in to the next video. I don't have any video, I haven't seen it. They sent me a couple pictures, not a lot, but yeah. Picture videos are pretty boring, so you know, let's sprint some Bondo on this. One can down. Was hoping to do it all in 1 gallon, but that didn't happen. Oh well. Actually, I knew I probably would need more than one. So, middle of the door is done. Put my 2 hours in for the night. That's about all I do. 2.5. So yeah, tomorrow finish that bottom section of the door and start on the fender. Getting close. And start getting the inner fender in the other side of the Chevelle.